In front of me is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this Motorola. Begin by opening an app called Files. Now you need to choose Clean at the bottom left corner of it, and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Then select Clear in the pop-up and wait. As you can see, after that, storage of my Motorola was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!